Buongiorno, we are looking at how to pronounce with the typical Italian pronunciation the name of this Italian Renaissance diplomat, philosopher and writer. We're going to be looking at how to pronounce more famous Italian names as well, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing. How do you go about pronouncing this name? In Italy, it would be said as Machiavelli. Machiavelli. You do want to insist on that double L because it matters in Italian. Niccolo Machiavelli is his full name. Machiavelli. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thanks for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more famous Italian names. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching. Ciao ciao.